working out? You excited to go swimming, dude?
I like your shirt. Hey, that's my shirt. You fit that? You fill it up well, dude. What?
What's up, dudes and girls? So this is where we park our car to get to the boat, to get to the island. Now the island is called Cabalitian Island. It's here on the coast of Swal, Pangasinan. It's about a 2.5 hour drive from Angeles City, and then a nice 15-minute boat ride, and we made it. So here's my boat here waiting, which means it's time to unload the van and load everything up.
Deeper in the zone, two-play combo mode, creeping down my bones, reminds me I'm alone. My sweet midnight surprise, stapled down my eyes, stars I cannot see, take me galaxy.
Halika, buhat na kita.
Tidur.
What? Ito na. Alright, we're here. Yep.
So this is actually our house. It's still not done yet thanks to COVID. Anyways, the kids already want to go ride the boat while I do some wake skating, so let's go do some wake skating, I guess.
I think she just saw me. Stop hiding in the sea. Ship my midnight surprise has found out all my life. Crunched. And even better still, warm nights and the chill, creeping down my bones, reminds me I'm alone. My sweet midnight surprise, stapled down my eyes, stars I cannot see, take me galaxy.
So here's the current setup right now. Sleeping on the floor still, have a lot of crap, but I mean, come on. Wake up in the morning and this is what you got. Take you guys upstairs. Sorry, we have the kitchen. Ooh, it's lunchtime. Oh, look what the kids did. Oh yeah, sorry, it's breakfast. I woke up early today, so I feel like it's... Yeah, what's up? Oh, what's that? Hi. Hey, you're gonna choke, dude. Don't do that. What's up, Herbie? Say hi. The Herbie and Pow Pow show. We got Mr. YouTube channel. Keeps asking me to make him a YouTube channel, right, pal? What are you drinking?
Coffee. I like it.
That's Dad's coffee. You stole Dad's coffee?
You want cigarettes too?
Tell your homies to subscribe. All right.
Subscribe my YouTube channel. No
And even better still, warm nights and the chill, creeping down my bones, reminds me I'm alone. My sweet midnight surprise, stapled down my eyes, stars I cannot see, take me galaxy. Deeper in the zone, two-play combo mode, creeping down my bones, reminds me I'm alone. My sweet midnight surprise, stapled down my eyes, stars I cannot see, take me galaxy.
sunrise. It's about 5:10. Everyone is still asleep, but we are getting ready to use the drone to get the sunrise. And there's my alarm. It's 5:20 and it's still dark outside. So we're just waiting on the sunrise a little bit more and let's go.
Look at this tree.
Oh, look at that. Look, my mom loves McDonald's so much, she's dressed like it. Making me want a double cheeseburger. Oh shit, did we pass? Oh, it's right here. Are you ready? You can do it! You can do it! You still good? You want to go down now? We're almost there. I was joking, I said you want to go down now, but we're almost there. You can do it! You can do it! Almost there, you got it. I'm tired too, but shh. You good? Good job, Mom. Almost there. 2 hours later. Time lapse. Did someone get some snacks around here? In the video, they just went like this.
Yeah, like it's so easy.
Run. I believe I can fly. A few moments later.
Gotta make sure your mama's comfortable.
I couldn't even sleep.